Trigonometric ratios in right triangles. What are trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios are the relationships between the angles and side lengths of a right angle triangle, specifically comparing the lengths of the three sides, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, for a given angle. As seen here, this is adjacent, opposite, and the hypotenuse. Sine. How to solve for sine or sin of A? The trigonometric ratio of sine A equals opposite over hypotenuse. We can see this over here when looking for angle A, which is this one over here. And then we're going to go opposite of this angle, which would be this side over here, and then the hypotenuse, which is right across the right angle, which is this one over here. So we need to solve for opposite. To solve for sine, we use opposite over hypotenuse. For cosine, how to solve for cosine of B? The trigonometric ratio of cosine B equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So now we are using this angle over here, B, to solve for cosine. So adjacent would be this one over here, and then the hypotenuse would be this one over here. So to solve for this angle here, we would do adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent. How to solve for tangent B? The trigonometric ratio of tan B equals opposite over adjacent. So again, we're going to use this angle B, and if we do opposite, we'll have this side, since it is opposite of angle B, as well as adjacent, this side over here. So we're going to do opposite over adjacent to solve for tan B. SOHCAHTOA. Use the phrase above when you need to remember your trigonometric ratios. So, sine A equals opposite over hypotenuse. Ka, which is cosine, which equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA, which is tangent, which equals opposite over adjacent. Now you are going to try these problems on your own, using the correct trigonometric ratios to solve for each angle. And next class, we will get together to discuss what answers we received each.